Curb appeal plays a powerful role in how a home is perceived. Whether you plan to stay for years or eventually sell, the exterior appearance of your property reflects pride of ownership and attention to detail. Windows are one of the most noticeable features on a home's facade, and upgrading them can significantly transform its look. For homeowners in Pasadena, double-hung windows offer a timeless and versatile option that enhances curb appeal while maintaining everyday functionality. A classic style that complements any architecture, double-hung windows feature two vertically sliding sashes within a single frame. This balanced, symmetrical design has been popular for generations. In Pasadena neighborhoods, where homes range from traditional to modern, double-hung windows blend seamlessly with various architectural styles. Their clean lines and proportional appearance add visual harmony to the exterior of any property. Creating a polished and updated appearance, older windows may show signs of wear, such as faded frames, chipped paint, or outdated designs. These details can make a home look neglected even if the rest of the exterior is well maintained. Replacing worn windows with updated double-hung models instantly refreshes the facade. Pasadena homeowners often notice that their homes look brighter, cleaner, and more refined after installation. Enhancing symmetry and balance. Curb appeal often depends on symmetry. Even spacing and consistent window styles create a pleasing visual effect. Double-hung windows provide a uniform look across the front of Pasadena homes. Their balanced top and bottom sashes reinforce architectural structure and create an orderly, cohesive appearance. Improving exterior color coordination. Modern double-hung windows are available in a range of finishes that complement siding, brick, or trim. Pasadena homeowners can choose frame colors that coordinate with their exterior palette, enhancing overall design continuity. A well-matched window frame elevates the home's appearance without overwhelming other features. Increasing natural light from the outside windows influence how a home appears not only from inside but also from the street. Double-hung windows allow generous natural light, creating a bright and inviting look visible from outside. In Pasadena neighborhoods, well-lit interiors contribute to a welcoming exterior presence. Elevating landscaping and entryway features windows frame key exterior elements such as porches, entry doors, and landscaping. When double-hung windows are properly proportioned and installed, they enhance these surrounding features. Pasadena homeowners often find that upgraded windows make gardens, walkways, and entryways stand out even more. Supporting long-term exterior durability. Curb appeal is not only about style, it is also about maintenance. New double-hung windows are designed for durability and long-lasting performance. In Pasadena homes, this means frames maintain their appearance and resist common signs of aging, preserving exterior appeal over time. Adding value to the property. Exterior upgrades are among the most impactful improvements for property value. Pasadena homeowners who invest in high-quality double-hung windows often see enhanced market appeal. Prospective buyers are drawn to homes that appear updated and well cared for. A timeless upgrade for any neighborhood. Trends come and go, but double-hung windows remain a trusted and versatile choice. In Pasadena neighborhoods, these windows enhance curb appeal by combining tradition with modern performance. Their clean design, balanced proportions, and durable finishes create a welcoming, polished exterior that stands the test of time. Transforming your home's first impression. Your home's exterior tells a story before anyone steps inside. For homeowners in Pasadena, double-hung windows offer a practical and stylish way to elevate curb appeal. By refreshing the facade, enhancing symmetry, and supporting long-term durability, these windows transform houses into standout properties that reflect comfort, care, and lasting beauty.